If you're looking for the best Quietest tires in 2025, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll review the top 5 Quietest tires available this year. We considered performance, durability, comfort, tread life, and real customer feedback to help you find the perfect set of tires for a smooth and silent ride. All the product links are in the description below. Let's get started with the video. Number 1. Foursome Ultra High Performance Tires. If you want a budget-friendly tire that still delivers quiet performance, the Foursome Ultra High Performance tires are a solid option. These all-season passenger tires are designed for daily driving with an emphasis on smooth handling and comfort. While there's no official tread life rating provided, they're built with a high-performance focus, giving you a stable and quiet driving experience. The 4-ply XL load range ensures durability, making them a reliable choice for everyday use without breaking the bank. Number 2. Atlas Force UHP 96W XL. Next up, we have the Atlas Force UHP 96W XL. These tires shine when it comes to wet weather performance and quiet operation. Thanks to their 3D sipes and innovative groove pattern, they channel water away from the tire surface to reduce hydroplaning and road noise. The extra stiff shoulders and reinforced sidewalls give you precise steering and improved cornering stability, making them a great pick if you want a tire that balances performance with a quiet, comfortable ride. Number 3. Michelin Pilot Sport 4S Performance Radial Tire. When it comes to premium performance and silence, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S is one of the best in the business. This ultra-high performance tire is engineered for sports cars and luxury vehicles, offering excellent grip, responsive steering, and reduced road noise compared to many other performance tires. Michelin's advanced design allows it to stay quiet even at higher speeds, giving you the perfect mix of thrilling performance and a smooth, refined ride. Number 4. Continental ContiPro Contact Radial Tire. For drivers looking for a proven and dependable option, the Continental ContiPro Contact delivers comfort, safety, and quiet operation. It's designed with optimized tread patterns that minimize road noise while still providing excellent wet and dry traction. The balanced performance and smooth handling make it ideal for everyday driving, whether you're commuting or taking longer trips. Continental's reputation for durability and comfort makes this tire a popular choice among drivers who value peace and quiet on the road. Number 5. Continental Tour Performance Radial Tire. Finally, we have the Continental Tour Performance Radial Tire, one of the quietest and most fuel-efficient tires in 2025. With EcoPlus technology, this tire not only helps save fuel, but also provides shorter stopping distances on wet roads and a longer tread life, up to 80,000 miles under manufacturer coverage. Its design focuses heavily on low road noise, giving drivers and passengers a whisper-quiet ride. Plus, it offers strong wet braking, handling, and even light snow traction, making it a versatile all-season option. That wraps up our list of the best Quietest tires in 2025. Whether you're after budget-friendly reliability, high-performance thrills, or maximum comfort on long drives, one of these tires will fit your needs. All the product links are in the description below for your convenience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming reviews. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.